Uroboado ekpakome migwe odeme oyese oyono Christy ogenenyero happy igo umukuru none na amigo no yono pare ibieta ruvo vowel sound in Urobo. In Urobo language we have 7 vowel sounds. We sound as a, e, I, o, u. Letter A we sound as a. Letter E without dot we sound as a. The second E with dot we sound as e. Letter I we sound as e. Letter O without dot we sound as o. Letter O again with dot we sound as o. Then letter U we sound as u. Examples of these 7 vowel sounds in Urobo are Amakashe, meaning angel in English. Emo, children. Their position. Ine, sons. Omotete, little child. Total spokesman or spokeswoman. Utuge, hot. I want to end here for today. In the next class, we'll talk about any other topic. Before then, I say bye for now. I love you.